and lovely day. Luna's heading out to play. She grabs her towel and her float and runs to put on her swimming coat. She dips her toes and gives a smile. The cool blue pool goes on for a mile. Step by step she's brave and bright, splashing gently, what a sight. Swim, swim, splash and play. What a fun and happy day. Kick your feet and move your hands. Swim around like fish in bands. She puts on goggles, takes a peek underwater. It's calm and sleek. She finds her toy fish swimming there and follows it with joyful care. She tosses up her beach ball high. It bounces back from the sky. She claps her hands and laughs out loud. A happy girl, feeling proud. Swim, swim, splash and play. What a fun and happy day. Kick your feet and move your hands. Swim around like fish in bands. A friend comes by with a floaty ring. Luna waves and starts to sing. They twirl and splash, they swim in a race. Big bright smiles on every face. Then it's time to take a break. Juice and fruit and a sweet cupcake. She rests a bit under the sun, then says, let's go, I'm not done. Swim, swim, splash and